In this video, Bitcoin is not getting any higher highs here in the daily time frame, and looking at this monthly stochastic RSI, Bitcoin is right now at a massive downtrend. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis natin, ang binabanggit natin is Bitcoin was seeing a lower high and lower low. So yun, lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, and then another lower high. So typically those are indication of we are still in a continued downtrend dito kay Bitcoin price action. And ang ibig sabihin kasi nun, if let's say we are not yet seeing any higher high dito, then patuloy tayo na pababa ng pababa dito kay Bitcoin. So, generally, ganun yung magiging trend parate as long as wala tayong nakikitang panibagong higher high. The ideal scenario para magkaroon ng trend reversal na dito kay Bitcoin is dapat, if let's say, mangyayari dito is magkaroon siya ng higher low, dapat tumaas na yung mga lows natin. Pataas ng pataas itong lows na yan. So, dapat yung trend natin is packet na ng ganyan. Pero, right now, as you can see, we are not seeing that trend. So, in this case, we are still going to continue this downtrend dito kay Bitcoin. Now, another critical thing na nangyayari dito right now with the Bitcoin price action is, as you can see, yung support area natin dito, previously, this was a support area dito kay Bitcoin whenever now we are in a bull trend. So, right now, if Bitcoin is not going to hold this line, then yeah, I think we are now going to see a continuous movement to the downside dito kay Bitcoin. So in this case, if let's say meron ka pa natitirang Bitcoin, you can open a short position dito and you can continue a downtrend trade dito. But personally, naglabas ako ng Bitcoin ko. So, di ba, sinabi ko sa mga previous videos ko na wala na nga ako masyadong Bitcoin, just 50% na lang tinira ko or 20% para lang may i-hodl lang ako for the long term. And yeah, right now, it's not actually looking good here with the Bitcoin price action in the daily time frame. As you can see, if you're going to look at the RSI, wala tayong trend reversal indicators dito, walang bullish divergence. It's just a continuous movement to the downside. So I think Bitcoin will bleed within the next few days and next few weeks dito, pababa ng pababa. So yeah, in this case, it's actually a good thing na medyo magpahinga muna kayo. But if let's say you want to make money pa rin here in the crypto market, you can actually short this next moves dito kay Bitcoin. And if you want to open your next trade dito kay Bitcoin, make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit. If wala pa yung account, we have our sign up link. You can find the description down below for up to $500 bonus. So, or $5,000 bonus. So, yeah, right now I still think that we are still going to continue this downtrend. Now, ang mas gusto ko pag-usapan dito is this monthly stochastic RSI kasi 'di ba? Nagkaroon tayo ng bearish cross dito sa stochastic RSI natin here in the monthly time frame, and generally speaking, whenever now we are seeing that bearish cross ating stochastic RSI, even in the previous market cycle, we saw a massive Bitcoin downtrend. So yeah, right now, what I am expecting right now dito is somewhat for Bitcoin to see a downtrend dito for some time, and I think na ang kailangan natin tingnan dito is this 50-month moving average. And right now, this 50-month moving average is slowly getting higher dito. So, I believe na by the next few months, if let's say mag-fall tayo around September or August, it will be around the $40,000. So, I believe na the lowest possible point na pwede natin makita kay Bitcoin is between the $40,000 and $50,000. So, between 40 to 50 yung lowest possible point na natin dito as compared to the previous market cycle na bumaba tayo hanggang 16,000. I don't think na we are going to go down below 40K. But if we saw a Bitcoin price going down much lower than 40K, then yeah, we're going to reassess that. But yeah, right now, I don't see any considerable signs na saying na we are going to go down below 40K. But right now, as of the time being, what I'm currently watching out is within the 40 to 50K level. Kasi if you're going to look at this here in the chart, you can see na if you're going to plot a line from the previous support areas, you can see na 50K is actually a pretty good support area. Kasi previously, that has been a resistance area dito. Ayun, no? We saw a lot of projections dito around the 50K area. So right now, 50K is one of the good supports that we can watch out dito with the Bitcoin price action. Then another thing is this 40,000 US dollar area. So, previously that has acted as a resistance in the previous movements kay Bitcoin. So, doon tayo nagkakaroon ng malaking volatility dito kay Bitcoin. So, right now, 40 and 50K are the next areas that we are going to watch out dito with the Bitcoin price action. So, yeah, I don't think that there's a lot much to talk about dito kay Bitcoin. And, yun nga, provided na yung ating stochastic RSI is looking pretty much bearish dito, we actually have to wait this one out. And yeah, the only way na you can make money for the time being is to do a dollar cost average strategy or short Bitcoin. But yeah, kahit paano, nag-take tayo ng profits along the way. And diba, if you've been following our channel for quite a long time na nga, we are definitely in profits na nga. And right now, this is us seeing na it's actually time for us to go down. And yeah, hopefully you have taken off some profits dito kay Bitcoin price action. And yeah, I think yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. It's just a quick video lang. But I don't think we have a lot to talk about here in the crypto market right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.